I've always wanted to build things fast, and today I decided to test the new Google AI Studio. Can I build a functioning web app idea in just 10 minutes? Every day this week, I'm building a new AI powered app from scratch. No code, no setup, just prompts. Day one starts right here in Google AI Studio. Let's see if we can build a tool that actually makes our prompts better. Here's the prompt. You're a prompt improvement assistant. When the user submits a rough AI prompt, return a polished version that's clear and concise, specifies output format, includes role, context if missing. Show the improved prompt and a one-sentence reason why it's better. Output in Markdown, polished prompt, text, and why it works, text. Let's see how long it takes to build this. One minute is all it took with AI integration. Let's try a prompt. Make me a YouTube script about AI tools. Obviously not a good prompt. Let's polish it. Act as a seasoned YouTube content creator specializing in technology reviews and tutorials. Your task is to generate a detailed YouTube script for a 7-minute video titled Top 3 AI Tools to Boost Your Productivity in 2024. The script should target busy professionals and students, adopting an enthusiastic yet informative tone. Include a compelling hook, a clear introduction, dedicated sections for each of the 3 AI tools, mentioning their name, primary function, a key feature, and a practical use case. A comparative summary, a strong call to action, and a concise outro. Format the output as a markdown script with distinct headings for each section, including approximate timestamps for each segment. Why it works. The refined prompt is superior because it assigns a clear persona, specifies the target audience, defines the video's length and tone, outlines the exact content structure, and explicitly requests a markdown script format with timestamps. Now let's test this prompt in Gemini. So it's given me a video outline with intro and hook, tool 1 Notion, tool 2 Perplexity, tool 3 Scribe, with a comparative summary, call to action, and outro. I think that prompt was pretty solid. Let's go back into Gemini and give it the basic prompt. Let's start with a new chat. Make me a YouTube script about AI tools, and let's see what the output difference is. So in the first script, we got deep dives into 3 specific tools. And in this script, it is providing some images, but it is just generally talking about the different kinds of tools. And the script is noticeably shorter, about 50% shorter. The original one with the advanced prompt seemed to be doing better. Now, let's go back to Google AI Studio and see if we can think of ways to improve this app. Now, I like to, if you've watched my channel before, I like to say the same prompt to Google AI Studio, which is give me 10 suggestions for improving this app, but don't implement any. And the reason I say don't implement any is it often will implement changes that it comes up with without your approval. Here's what it's given me back. Prompt history, definitely want to implement that. One-click copy button, yes. Example prompts, we'll skip that. Tone and style customization, we'll skip that. Streaming response, that sounds good. User feedback mechanism, no thank you. Light dark mode, no thank you. Input character counter, no, that's okay. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, and 10. Let's see how long this takes. Oh, it says it's done. We don't even need a timer. All right, let's try a different prompt. Write a Python script that tracks expenses. All right, we've separated polished prompt from why it works. Act as a senior Python developer with expertise in creating practical, user-friendly command line tools. Develop a complete and runnable Python script for a simple expense tracker. The script should allow users to add new expense, view all expenses, get a summary, persist data, handle basic errors. This prompt is superior because it assigns a clear expert persona, defines specific functionalities, and we have a specific copy button. Now we have a history. Let's write a children's story that includes pre-primer Dolch sight words and short and long vowels. Act as an experienced children's book author specializing in early literacy. Your task is to write a short, engaging children's story, approximately 150 to 200 words, suitable for children aged 3 to 5. And it has included the word list. So the original prompt would have assumed that the AI would know the word list. The narrative should include words that clearly demonstrate both short and long vowel sounds. That is a superior prompt. Now let's see how far we can take this. We're going to ground this in apps that are similar. So I asked it to search the web for similar apps and come up with 10 additional features. So we've got 10 additional features here. Prompt diff viewer. Instead of just showing the final polished prompt, implement a side-by-side view that visually highlights the differences. Target model and style selector. Add a drop-down menu to allowing users to select a target model, exactly what we need. I love that you can apply a history search and favorites. Enhance the existing history panel with a search bar, so you could save all of your previous prompts. Oh, number 6 is beautiful. After a prompt is polished, include a test this prompt button. Clicking it would open a modal or side out panel that acts as a mini chatbot. This sandbox would allow the user to immediately send the polished prompt to the Gemini API and see the resulting output. Number 8 is good too. Create a batch mode where users can input multiple prompts at once, either by pasting a list separated by new lines or uploading a simple text or CSV file. Let's see how long this takes. All right, that took just under 2 minutes. Now, one of the biggest changes we implemented was the batch mode, which is batch processing mode. A new batch mode allows you to input and polish multiple prompts at once, streamlining your workflow for larger tasks. So I prepared just 4. 1, write a YouTube short script about why people are obsessed with AI chatbots. 2, create a friendly marketing email for a new note-taking app. 3, summarize the book Deep Work in 3 bullet points. And 4, write a motivational quote about failing forward for a social media post. Let's optimize. Oh, it's only got Gemini. Let's optimize this for Gemini Pro and put it in default. So it's processing the batch. Perfect. Oh, it even shows a completed marker for when each batch of a prompt is complete. This is absolutely stunning. And they're all done. That took 30 seconds. Let's open one and see the other new feature. Oh, we can't in this one. We can't test the prompts here in batch, but we can test in this. So let's see. Oh, an error occurred. I'm not sure if that's on my end. So that's app number 1, Prompt Polisher. Took maybe 10 minutes, 0 code. Tomorrow we'll hook a Google AI Studio app into a Chrome extension to make it actually live on your browser.